ana amang'ana iguru yo kubwatukwa kwa matemu akijesea ayo nyarakoba gakorarwa rituko ria rero hamwe n'umuwasiri w'ekisemi musike Julius Migoso gamba ase amatemu ayo niko aboroke gwetani milioni ya baikaranse ase amatemu ago bakorata amatemu ayo ase abange babo barekanete gokoria buya korengana hamo ne chingwana chaye umuwasiri Migoso gamba boigo niganyaka bakwaneke abuna ase amatemu ayo abana banyaruka niko barekanete gokoria buya kobwa abana abamura ase emirimo 10 igoro iye ose ase emirimo 10 igoro y'emirimo 12 eyu baikaranse boigo niganyaka bagakwaneke buna mirobiri yonsi nigo yanekigwe ese ogochikwaneke buna abarkiwabwa aba grade 9 ko chibali gosoa grade 10 umwaka ugocha gose senior secondary muna gotume mulikito Daniel Onteri
Ukwana hime yumoche Nairobi ritukulia ero chingaki chokobwatoka machibu ya matema yo gosi nigo chingaki cho agokera machibu ayo nogo chakigwa komorobori umuya wa masomo uyu ateba urachiko konya borokigwa konyora megelio yengencha sobogima kolenganigwa nechiro jichigasiga Kenya.
The CBE follows the structure of 2 years in pre-primary, 6 years in pre-primary school, and 3 years in junior school, and another 3 years in senior school. CBE is a transformative educational framework designed to equip our learners with the skills, values, and attitudes necessary to thrive in the 21st century.
Omentabuna inse yoborai wabono esekta yichisemi nigo yagendere gokoria buya kigima na marubabo nachukubaikira gochakira chitariki 20 kobali baga osoekera asi gikomi gochakira chitariki 12 echomotinyu motangani omwakonde.
Placement exercise will start next week and is expected to be completed by the 20th of December 2025.
Asense mwende nigagokere getambokero kebubwatani awaigo babegetomokia soko ene kebuna umuroberi go mugima akorekire buya ekyokera amachibwa yo kubwatukwa litukolia rero.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Ministry of Education, I'd like to extend my heartfelt appreciation and gratitude to the officials from the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, the Ministry of ICT, the Teacher Service Commission, and other stakeholders who have played a vital role in the successful administration of this year's assessments and examinations.
Asa borokiwa baiga emilioni emo chiribu emiemo na 30 chiminye na 50 na kienda chiribu chimisano 52 na 53 chiribu isano nemo na 30 nigo barabomura Nichiribu chimisano na 50 noyomo chimisano na 29 na kianda igatiabo n'abanyaruka ase county ya Nairobi yaligetie umubaro munene waboroki wabwo nkurubatere gatasene kyagatembe kurega ase county ya Nairobi letrene nguruko Daniel Ontiri.